Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable the welcome screen and recent files on startup in Adobe Photoshop 2023. If Photoshop always opens with the home or welcome screen showing recent files, and you want it to open directly to the normal workspace, follow these simple steps. First, open Photoshop. At the top menu, click Edit, then select Preferences and click General. You can also open Preferences quickly by pressing Ctrl+K on your keyboard. Inside the General Preferences, look for the option called Auto Show Home Screen. By default, this option is enabled, which is why Photoshop shows the welcome screen with recent files every time you start the program. Simply uncheck Auto Show Home Screen. Then click OK to save the changes. Now just open a file and close it. That's how you disable the welcome screen on startup in Photoshop 2023. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Photoshop and Windows tutorials. Thanks for watching.